Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn about the basic of data communication. To know the basic of data communication, we must have to know that what is data and communication. Data is a collection of information that is gathered observations, measurements, research, or analysis. That means when you collect a lot of information by observation or any method, so all of that information can be known as data. So communication is the transfer of information from one person to another. That means when you, after collecting the information, if you transfer the information from one person to another, that is known as communication. So the data combination is known as the process of transferring data from one place to another between two locations. So what is the fundamental characteristics of data commission? There are 4 fundamental characteristics of data commission that we will know in here. So the first is delivery. You have ordered some food from a restaurant, but you want those food in your home. So what should you do? That means, first of all, a delivery man must have to pick up your food, then deliver to you. So in data communication, the system must have to deliver the data in correct destination. So that is known as delivery. So what is accuracy? Accuracy means delivery mail that who wants to deliver the food in your home. First of all, he has to the information of your address. That means you have to give your address before or after placing that order. So in data communication, the system must deliver the data accurately. Data that have been altered in transmission and lived uncorrected are unusable. The next one is timeliness. What is timeliness? Some companies are offering that delivery man must have to deliver the food customer within 30 minutes. If they cannot deliver the food within 30 minutes, the food will be free for that customer. So this is known as timeliness. So in data commission, the system must deliver the data in a timely manner. Data delivered late are useless. So what is jitter? Jitter, this word jitter can be very new to all of us. So let me explain this word jitter. Jitter is a variance is latency, or the time delay between a signal is transmitted, and when it is received, that means zeta is a difference between CA signal when it is transmitted and when it is received. Let's see an example that is. Let us assume that video packets are sent in every 3D millisecond. If some of the packets arrive in 3D millisecond delay and others with 4D millisecond delay, then an uneven quality in the video is the result. Now we'll learn about components. There are 5 components of data communication. The first of all is message. Message is nothing but the information. Let's think that if you want to communicate with your friends, you want to send some information or message to your friend, but there are 2 components. Popular forms of information include text, number, picture, audio, and video. That means you can communicate with your friend in any of these forms. The next one is sender. Sender means if you want to send a message to your friend, that means in this case you are the sender. That means you want to send that message. So the next one is receiver. In that case, you are the receiver. The friend that you want to send the message is known as receiver because he will receive the message that you have sent to him. The 4th component is transmission medium. When you will communicate with your friend, the medium, that means the internet can be known as the transmission medium, by which you will communicate to him, with your friend. Moreover, there are some more example of transmission medium, which is a twisted pair cable, fiber cable, etc. And the last one is protocol. What is protocol? Protocol is nothing but a set of rules that govern the data communication. That means think that if you want to give an exam. So in the exam, there are some rules. That means you have to write your ID, station, or etc. to your exam paper. So that are known as rules. So in data communication, there are some rules which is known as protocol. In this diagram, you can see that the sender has some protocol. That means he has to follow the protocol to send the masses to the receiver, and the masses will go through a medium by which you will communicate with your friend. Moreover, there are some more example of transmission medium, which is a twisted pair cable, fiber cable, etc. And the last one is protocol. What is protocol? Protocol is nothing but a set of rules that govern the data communication. That means think that if you want to give an exam, so in the exam there are some rules. That means you have to write your ID restation or etc. to your exam paper. So that are known as rules. So in data communication, there are some rules which is known as protocol. In this diagram, you can see that the center has some protocol. That means he has to follow that protocol to send the message to the receiver. And the message will go through a medium, and the receiver has also some protocol that through he will receive that message. So what is data flow? Data flow means how the data goes through from one medium to another. Here the first is simplex mode. In simplex mode, the communication is unidirectional. That means only one way can communicate the other way, only can receive keyboard and monitor are the best example of simplex devices. That means keyboard and keyboards will only give the input and monitor will only show the output in half duplex. Each station can both transmit and receive, but not at the same time. That means in this case, if you are issue fast, send your message to your friend. Your message will be received by your friend fast, then he can reply to you. In full duplex mode, both the station can transmit and receive simultaneously. That means, at the same time, you and your friend can send and receive some data. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next lecture.